Hello! Today I'm building the Lego Brickheadz set of the Beast from the 1991 animated film The Beauty and the Beast. The love story is so great, Belle never learns Beast's real name, which according to Disney's wiki is Adam. The Beast is wearing the outfit from the scene where they dance to Taylor's This Time. Lego also released Belle with the yellow dress, but right now she's on holiday in Portugal. Maybe someday she'll appear in the tiny builds. I really like the blue and yellow they used for the suit, and overall I think Lego did a really good job with this design. Probably one of my favorite Brickheadz. Thank you for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!